Don't prepare any afternoon snack before watching this recipe. To begin, in a bowl, add 3 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of milk, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder, and stir with your hands. Tell me in the comments where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. Now let this dough rest for 10 minutes. After that, sprinkle some flour on a table. Add the dough and flatten it out with the help of a rolling pin. You guys, this recipe is very easy to make and delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Next, cut the dough into strips. Then remove the edges to make it very rectangular. Now cut small slashes in the middle of each rectangle. Then take the tip of this dough and pass it around the inside. To continue, in a frying pan, add oil. And when the oil is hot, add the dough. When one side is done, turn it over to fry the other side. And if you're still watching this video, you're loving the recipe, so like the video and write in the comments. I love easy recipes. And repeat this process with the rest of it. To finish, in a bowl, add sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Put the fried rolls and coat them. Be sure to make this recipe at home and then come back to tell me how it turned out. We would love to know. And our recipe is ready. Now all you have to do is enjoy. Look how wonderful it is. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video.